What is up, JL Live Modell here. Today, J10 update. So, J10 work actually got done over the weekend. I didn't film it because, well, I wasn't 100% sure what I was doing, and I don't need to listen to all them negative Nancys out there. But let me show you what we did. So in the previous video for the J10, I stripped down the Sterling 10.5. What we did last weekend was install my locker and gears. For the locker, I went with the Yukon Zipp locker, which is an air locker. I went with this one over an e-locker because it was seriously like $500 cheaper. And of course, I went with Revolution gears because that's what I had in Bromance, and I had nothing but good things to say about it. Air locker and 538 gears. I wasn't able to drill out the top for the copper line, hence the copper boner. And that's because I did not have the proper drill bit and tap size, and it was at the end of the day and I didn't want to go and do it. My buddy Seth, thank you for the help today.
No problem.
My buddy Seth actually helped me with the install, so big thanks to him. Next, what I got coming in is a truss for the rear axle and a diff plate. Going to get that welded in, buy the brakes, and get that welded back under the rear of the Jeep. After that gets welded in and brakes get hooked up, then I can start focusing on this front axle, the Dana 60 that I have underneath. However, I didn't even think about this before, but I currently have a passenger side drop Dana 44 in the front. That's a driver side drop. Passenger, driver. So what that means is it's going to be a little bit longer than anticipated, because I got to buy the gears and the rebuild and the locker for the front. After I get that rebuilt and of course do the truss and setting up the steering, I'm going to have to swap out the transfer case to convert it over to driver's side. Of course, once I do that, I'm going to have to do some adjusting to the exhaust. I'm in between getting a rock box or an Atlas. Both of them have lead times of 20 plus weeks, which is crazy, but I understand. I need to get this stuff figured out so I can at least order it. I'm going to be linking the front, and it says never ending. I want to link the front, and of course I'm going to have to box in a majority of the frame because it's open framed. I don't want that for the rock crawling. I want it to be a box frame, so I'm going to have to do that fabrication. Then of course I got the LS, which is kind of the last thing I'm focusing on once I get the suspension and all that other schnaz put together. So guys, help me stay motivated. Keep the comments coming for the J10 so I keep doing the work and spending the money on it. And I stop spending so much damn money on my bikes. Bikes are fun. But guys, thank you for watching. As always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for the next one, y'all. Keep it easy.